Finding the courage to change. The set-aside prayer. Recently, I was introduced to the set-aside prayer. It goes something like this. Dear God, help me to set aside everything I think I know about a topic so that I can have an open mind and a new experience. Help me to see the truth about this topic. My vision can be so limited. I have a lot of limiting beliefs about myself. These limiting beliefs create a lot of resistance. I can become trapped by them. It's like being in an invisible cage. From the outside, others can see how my beliefs are keeping me stuck in a holding pattern. But finding the key to escape the cage is like feeling around in the dark. I don't know what I don't know. Fortunately, I'm learning to ask for help. I have become willing to set aside what I think I know. I am learning to open my mind to new ideas. I must become willing to have a new experience. If I can remember to pray for this guidance with little everyday problems, I start to develop faith. New ideas, new teachers, and new thoughts come to me because I'm being open and receptive. I'm learning to ask for guidance and then relax. I know that when I least expect it, the inspired idea will come. The more I can set aside what I think I know, the more my higher power will bring me new ideas and experiences. It all starts with my willingness to practice the set-aside prayer.